In this video instruction I will show you how to make crocheted beaded snowflake. For work you need a ball of yarn, crochet hook and beads. Begin the work by making a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And join the chain in the round by working a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. The ring is ready. Begin the first round. For this, make a chain to bring up the yarn. Then chain of 9 for the chain space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then insert the hook into the ring by working with single crochet. Make a chain of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and single crochet into the ring. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. In total it should be 8 of them. We have done 2. You should crochet 6 more. I chained the last one. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch in the beginning of this round by working a slip stitch. The round is done. Here what we have. Begin round 2. Work a slip stitch. Make the first one, make the second one and the third one. The fourth one and the fifth one. Begin round 2. Make a chain to bring up the yarn. Then chain of 5 for the chain space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And work with a single crochet into the next chain space. Chain of 5 and single crochet into the next chain space. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. In total it should be 7 of them. And how to make the 8th one I show you later. I did 7 chain spaces. Chain of 2. Then double crochet into the first chain stitch. The last chain space is ready. Let's begin round 3. Make a chain to bring up the yarn. Chain of 5 for the chain space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And make single crochet, then chain of 5 and single crochet. Chain of 5 and make single crochet into the stitch of the previous round. Chain of 5 and single crochet into the chain space. 5 chains for the chain space and single crochet into the stitch. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. I chained the last one. Work a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. Round is done. Begin round 4. Work a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. Begin the next round, make a chain to bring up the yarn. 3 chains for the chain space and single crochet. Chain of 5 and single crochet. Chain of 3 and single crochet. Chain of 5 and work with a single crochet. Let's stop and look. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. I leave the last chain space. Then I will show you how to complete this round. Let's complete this round together. Now chain of 5 for the chain space, chain of 2, yarn over the hook and make double crochet into the first chain stitch. Begin next round. At this point I will join a bead, take a bead, put it on the hook. The hole is big enough so the crochet hook fit through the bead easily. Make a chain. Chain of 4. Make single crochet into the stitch of the previous round. Then chain of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook. Make single crochet, then half double crochet. Make double crochet into the each next stitch. One, 2, and 3. Insert the hook into the next stitch by working with single crochet. Then chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take a bead, put it on the hook. Insert the hook into the chain space, take the working yarn, pull it through the bead and pull through. And chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet into the stitch. Let's make this segment. Chain of 6 for this segment and work with the second chain stitch away from the hook. Make single crochet, half double crochet, and 3 double crochet in a row. 1, 2, and 3. And make single crochet into the stitch. Let's join a bead. Chain of 4, take a bead, put it on the hook. Insert the hook into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through, and pull through 2 loops. Chain of 4 and single crochet. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. Let's complete this round together. After I have made 4 chain space, insert the hook into the chain stitch on the beginning of this round by working a slip stitch. Round is made. Let's begin the next round. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook, take a bead, put it on the hook. Take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain. Chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. Make chain. I'm going to make 3 chain picot on the chain. Make a chain, then make a chain with bead, and make a chain, then chain more, we skip 1, insert the hook into the second stitch by working a slip stitch. The 3 chain picot is ready. 3 chains, insert the hook into the chain stitch by working a single crochet. Here what we have. Let's make one more time. Chain of 3, then chain more, chain and chain with bead. Take a bead, put it on the hook. Make a chain with bead and chain more. We skip one. Insert the hook into the second stitch by working a slip stitch. Chain of 3. Work with the bead. Take a bead, put it on the hook. Insert the hook into the single crochet by working a single crochet with bead. We have secured the chain space. Chain of 3, chain and 3 chains for the picot. Make chain, then chain with bead. Take a bead, put it on the hook. And chain more. We skip one from the bead and make slip stitch into the second chain stitch. Then chain of 3, chain of 3, and work with a single crochet into the chain stitch of the previous round. Chain of 3, then chain more, make a chain, then chain with bead. Take a bead, put it on the hook. Take the working loop, pull it through, then chain more. We skip one and work with the second stitch by working a slip stitch. Work with the second one, make a slip stitch into this stitch, then chain of 3, take a bead, put it on the hook, insert the hook into the single crochet by working with single crochet. Here what we have, this is the trim for the snowflake. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. I'm about to complete this round. After I chain the last one, insert the hook into the chain stitch with bead. Take the working yarn, pull it through. I have already cut off the yarn. The snowflake is ready. Let's take a look at the back side. As you can see, the beads are visible on the front side. The center of the snowflake can be decorated with bead. Don't miss our new video tutorials on YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.